In this video, I'm going to show you how much money you can make as an affiliate for Podia, where Podia is actually an online platform for creators who want to sell courses, membership, and digital products. And it can also help you with your email marketing and for building communities all in one place. Now, I've included the link in the description to try Podia, and later in the video, I'm going to show you how much money I actually made promoting a different software by posting just a few short videos on the same channel that you're watching right now. Most of these videos didn't even get 10 views, yet I made a pretty impressive amount of money. So I'm going to show you that later in the video. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing, then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you the absolute best way that you can learn affiliate marketing, even if you're a complete beginner. Now let's take a look at the Podia affiliate program. So once you go to their website using the link in the description, you can actually sign up to become a Podia partner. And so as you can see, you'll earn up to 30% every month that your referred customer stays with them. So that means, for example, if you send 10 customers who each pay 89 bucks a month, you'll earn $267 every single month. So as you can see, this can quickly add up to a lot of money as the number of people signing up under your link increases. Now let me show you the other software that I was promoting and how much money I made from it. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.